Imagine discovering that the humble 1974 Washington quarter jingling in your pocket could be worth thousands of dollars. While most 1974 quarters are common, certain rare varieties and mint errors have transformed these everyday coins into highly sought-after collectibles. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the history, notable errors, and the astonishing values that some of these quarters have fetched at auctions. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or a curious enthusiast, the world of 1974 quarters holds fascinating secrets waiting to be uncovered. The 1974 Washington Quarter, a brief overview. The Washington Quarter, first introduced in 1932 to commemorate George Washington's 200th birthday, has been a staple of U.S. coinage. By 1974, the quarter featured the familiar design by John Flanagan, obverse, a left-facing portrait of George Washington. Reverse, a heraldic eagle with outstretched wings. The 1974 quarters were minted in 3 locations: Philadelphia, no mint mark, approximately 801,456,000 coins produced. Denver, D mint mark, approximately 353,160,300 coins produced. San Francisco, S mint mark, approximately 2,612,568 proof coins produced for collectors. These coins were composed of a copper-nickel clad, a change from the 90% silver composition prior to 1965. Unveiling the rarities, errors and varieties. While standard 1974 quarters are abundant, specific errors and varieties have captured collectors' attention due to their rarity and unique characteristics. Double die obverse, DDO. A double die error occurs when the coin's design is duplicated slightly offset, resulting in noticeable doubling on elements like letters or numbers. For the 1974 quarter, some exhibit clear doubling on Liberty and In God We Trust. Mint state examples of this variety have fetched over $300 at auctions. 33rd Square. 8 feather reverse. Typically, the eagle on the reverse side displays 9 feathers on its left leg. However, some 1974 D quarters showcase only 7 or 8 feathers, making them distinct. Mint state specimens of this variety have sold for $100 to $200. 33rd Square. Broad strike errors. A broad strike error happens when a coin is struck without the restraining collar, causing it to spread out and appear larger than usual. A well-preserved mint state example recently sold for nearly $100. 33rd Square. Off-center strikes. These errors occur when the coin is not properly aligned during striking, resulting in a portion of the design being missing. The degree of the off-center strike influences its value, with more dramatic errors being more valuable. A 1974 D quarter with a 50% off-center strike graded MS65 by NGC sold for $132 in 2017. History tools. Double strike and brockage errors. Occasionally, a coin is struck more than once or with another coin between the dies, leading to overlapping designs or mirror image impressions. A 1974 D quarter exhibiting a die cap and brockage reverse in MS66 condition fetched $1,265 at a 2012 auction. History tools. Struck on cent planchet. A remarkable error involves quarters struck on a 1-cent bronze planchet, resulting in a coin that's smaller and lighter than standard quarters. A 1974 D quarter with this error, graded MS64 red-brown by PCGS, realized $1,762.50 in a 2015 auction. History tools. The elusive 1974 aluminum quarter. One of the most intriguing and controversial errors is the 1974 aluminum quarter. These coins were allegedly struck on aluminum planchets intended for foreign coinage. However, their authenticity and origin remain unconfirmed by the U.S. Mint. If genuine, these off-metal errors would be extremely rare and valuable, potentially fetching thousands of dollars. History tools. The 1974 S-proof quarters, gems for collectors. The San Francisco Mint produced proof versions of the 1974 quarter, intended specifically for collectors. These coins are struck multiple times with specially prepared dies and planchets, resulting in sharp details and mirror-like finishes. The 1974 S-proof quarters come in a few varieties: deep cameo, DCAM. These proofs exhibit heavily frosted design elements contrasting with reflective fields. A 1974 SDCAM graded PR70 by PCGS sold for $10,925 in 2006, highlighting the premium these flawless specimens command. 33rd Square Cameo, CAM. These proofs show a moderate level of contrast between frosted devices and mirrored fields. While not as pronounced as DCAM, they are still highly desirable among collectors. Grading and condition, the value determinants. The value of a 1974 quarter is heavily influenced by its condition, assessed using the Sheldon 70-point grading scale. Circulated grades, poor to about uncirculated. These coins exhibit varying degrees of wear on high points like Washington's hair and cheek. Luster is typically diminished, and surfaces may have nicks or scratches from circulation. Mint state, MS 60 to 70.